Toyota of Bristol, home of Truck Mountain, and your down home deal.
Presenting the 2012 Volkswagen GTI. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a power sunroof, alloy rims, a spoiler, an alarm system, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, a premium sound system, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side impact door beams, child safety locks. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of the Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. Just say, "Show me the Carfax."
It's going to be a big weekend here in the Tri-Cities with Toyota of Bristol's big pre-owned sales event.
Come on down to Toyota of Bristol, where we have tons of new and pre-owned trucks.
So stop down and meet me at Toyota of Bristol. We're even open Sunday from 1 to 6.
Toyota of Bristol, home of Truck Mountain, and your down home deal.